Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to add your phone number to your Alibaba app. Let me show you how. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Alibaba account. Go ahead and click on my profile. Go ahead and click on the setting icon from the top corner right here. So click on that. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on my profile. Now you are here. Go ahead and click on phone number. A verification code is going to be sent to your registered mail. What you need to do is to go ahead and get the code. Then go ahead and enter the code. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and add a phone number. So you have to make sure you click on here to change your country code. So I'm going to click on here now. Choose your country right here. So having select your country, go ahead and enter your mobile number right here. So enter your phone number right here. Once you enter your phone number, hit on continue. You're going to go ahead and hit on continue. And the verification code is going to be sent to your number.